In this video, I'll show you how to change the alarm sound on iPhone in just a few simple steps. This is perfect if you're looking for iPhone alarm settings customization or want to set a new alarm ringtone on iPhone. First, open the clock app on your iPhone. You'll usually find it on your home screen. At the bottom, tap on Alarms. Now, you can either edit an existing alarm or create a new one. For this example, let's tap the plus icon in the top right to create a new alarm. Set your time, and then tap on Sound. Here you'll see a list of ringtones. You can tap each one to preview how it sounds. Just pick the one you like best. You can also choose songs if you want a custom alarm tone. Once selected, go back and tap Save or the check mark. And that's it. Your iPhone alarm sound is now changed successfully. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.